Hello friends, welcome once again. So let's review the Nifty Bank today first. So as I told you, Nifty Bank is in this channel line. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame Nifty Bank, and this is in the channel line. You could see, and one support has been taken by the Nifty Bank over here, 34,410. So this is the now major support of the Nifty Bank. Okay, so right now tomorrow what is going to happen is that tomorrow there will be a tomorrow most probably there will be a gap up, and after gap up I think sale is still sell to negative to sideways, means it will be selling towards selling will be there, selling will be maintained. Suppose Nifty opens over Nifty Bank open over here, okay, or after Nifty Bank's gap up and went over here, this will be the resistance zone. 35,324 will be the resistance zone. Why? Because the RSI also, see, if you draw the this one and this from here the Nifty Bank come down, okay, from here the Nifty Bank come down, and RSI also, if you see here it started down, okay, and this will be the resistance, this will be the resistance until now. Tomorrow when it will be this will come over here. If it is clearing this, if it is clearing this, then it could give some momentum, it could give some momentum. If it is not clearing this, if it is not clearing this, then this will be the resistance. Here you can see this will be the resistance. Until unless it clears and move towards 60 66 or something, it cannot move further. So still so what I am suspecting is that, so this will be the resistance zone 35,324. This high will be the this high to this one 35,324. Here after a gap up it can move a little bit, and after that sideways to negative will be there, sideways to negative will be there, and this channel line could be one of the again could be the one of the support. This channel line could again one of the support. If it is breaking down, then this 34,400 it is coming, 34,400 it is coming. Till now if you see, it has maintained the wave count actually. I'll tell you, till now it has maintained the wave count, and the wave count is that this is 1, okay. This has not been breached till now. This wave 1 has not been breached by this. So if it is getting breached, then and this will be a, this will still a zigzag is forming, okay. Still we are seeing that this box is 1 2, okay, this is 2, and we are heading towards the 3, but still it is. So what I am suspecting is the trend line tomorrow will be the major support, and if it is breaking, then 34,410 it is going to become major support. So these two are the things you have to take care. For the Nifty Bank, you could mark the my zone actually, and after that when it comes, then after 130 till 130 we'll see some negativity, but 130 we have to check the trend. My suspect is that it will go positivity to it will recover actually. It will recover from whether if it is breaking down this channel line or not, it is going to recover, and it is going to move, okay. So this will be the my take actually. From tomorrow it will be a gap up, then a sell on rise will be there, okay. Sell on rise will be there till 130 around. Then after 130 or 1 o'clock, after 1 o'clock we have to see the trend, whether it is going to take the support or not. If it is breaking 34,410, and tomorrow means tomorrow it is the this one actually expiry. So let's see, it will be moving and it will eat all the premium actually. So that, and this is the range 35,324 to 34,410 will be the tomorrow the range actually. So this is all about the Nifty Bank, okay. So I told you this is the RSI resistance and RSI support is there, okay. As soon as it will come to 32 or something, I think it will take the support and it will go reverse back. So this is what about Nifty Bank. Let's come to Nifty. So regarding Nifty, you could see that there is a positive divergence. Okay, there is a positive divergence, and tomorrow gap up. Most probably the gap up will be there. So there will be a gap up, and after that this can be the one of the support actually. 15,000 resistance, 15,000 this 800, 15,800 could be the one of the resistance. After that a sell and rise will be there. Okay, Nifty will be the same. But in the Nifty, if you could see that today 13 days moving average low, it is breached. So what it implies that it is in the trend is negative. The trend is negative in the sorry, this one hour chart, I'll make it. Okay, in 15-minute chart there is a positive divergence, and here if you see today what happened in the morning session, only it breached actually 10:15. Yesterday I told you that it is going to make something like this. So if you see, this will be 1:1. So I don't think it will come near 15,683, but 15,700 will be the support. 15,700 could be the one of the support. So this 7.786% retracement could be the one of the support. Okay, so this could be the one of the support here, 0.6 15,712. So tomorrow if it is a gap up, then it could come down, and after that it could take a support and it can move up. Okay, tomorrow it could come over here. This is the trend what I was discussing tomorrow. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so what I was discussing that tomorrow it could be it could take a support from 15,700 if it is coming down, right? If it is coming down, it will go to take a support at 15,700, then it can move up. So this could be the tomorrow view for the Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So I have given you the Nifty Bank also, and the Nifty 15,700 to this range tomorrow will be the one of the sorry, this will be the, if it is a gap up, I think if it is open over here, then it will be a sell on rise, and if it is open over here 15,840, 15,800 something, it will be a sell on rise, and wait for the 30 minutes before taking any trade. Okay, so if it is opening over here only, then you can have the trade, because it is below 13 days moving average low. If it is opening above 13 days moving average low, then wait for the trend to come down 13 days moving average low, then you can take the short trade. And my view is that till 1 o'clock the various sideways to negative will be maintained, and 15,700 is on the card. So 15,000, this is the range actually tomorrow, 15,700 to then it can move up. Otherwise, if it is breaking 15,700, then you can take it actually. Let me tell you, if it is breaking 15,700, then then Nifty, it is going to fall till 15,678. okay, so this will be 1:1, and where it will rise again. Okay, so it will come over here and it can rise over. So certainly this will be the trend actually. So it cannot fall more than 15,709 to 678 for tomorrow, because if it is falling also, it will take support at this range. Okay, at this range it will take the support and it will go up. So that is my view. So if it is falling, then 15,678 sure shot, it will go up like this. So this is the range actually over here. You have to mark it. Okay, don't be so much short side that it will go to 15,500, 400 in one day. It will be not happening. So tomorrow after the expiry, I'll review and I'll tell you about the Friday move, what is going to be happen. Okay, that's it guys. Hope your trading day tomorrow will be good. Bye.